Hi everybody, this is Professor West for GMC, and we are working with Alice again. Today we're going to be talking about events. An event is an action or an occurrence recognized by the computer. It's something that happens, and there's a lot of different events. A person could type, that could be an event. A character could move or touch another character, or any kind of things could happen that would be an event. And we have also what we call an event listener, which is a part of the program that just sits there and listens for these events to happen. We're going to have to set one up so that it listens for what we want to happen, and then it does something accordingly. The part that does something is called the event handler. So it takes all three parts to make it work. An event handler is an action that takes place as a response to an event. So for example, if I had these two characters walk into each other, I could have the event listener be that the two touch, and then I can have the event handler have one of them fall down or something like that. So to create one, we start off, we got to go up to the initialize event listeners and tell it what we're doing. Okay, so when you click on the initialize event listeners, you'll see that there's already one here. This one's called the add scene activation listener. This listener waits for you to click the run button. When you click the run button, it tells it to start playing the method, which tells it to do stuff. Remember, the code that we put is in my first method. So it literally is telling it, when they click the run button, start running stuff, start doing stuff. So look just below that, and you see where it says Add Event Listener. If you click this little drop-down menu, there's a bunch of different ones. So if you wanted something to do with the keyboard, you point to the keyboard, and here's the different options. Add a key press listener, add an arrow key press listener, add a number key press listener, add an object move for. And of course this one has some other stuff here. If you wanted it to be with the mouse, then you can point to mouse. If you want it to be with position orientation, see how it says add collision, proximity, which means to get close. So there's several different things here that you could choose. There's one last thing I wanted to point out under the event listener is the scene activation and time. So sometimes you may want something to happen after a certain amount of time or something like that. So for now, I'm just giving you a quick introduction to this. We'll actually start using these in a later segment. So I'm going to stop this one for now, and I'll see everybody in the next one. Bye.